Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want us to talk about Judge Rat. Hi, Bo. Yo. I have never seen something like this. I, mm-mm. My jaws are dropping down, son. Angeke. Hi, Bo. Yo. I give up. Judge Rat, when it came to from 3 o'clock up until they were done, he decided he's gonna be disrespectful to everyone. That's what he did. And then top of that, there was a time where he was singing somewhere, DJ. He was singing. Umnisi was busy consulting with IQ's number one. Where. Then he wants to talk about court decorum. Really? Yo. Guys, and I have never seen something like this. But before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially and in numbers. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. Guys, when it comes to the social media, engagement is key. So please engage at all times. Please, thank you so much. You are very much appreciated. Now, let's talk about Judge Haibu, guys. Yabona, there are so many things that are annoying me in that courtroom. When he talks about Mkhulu Mandela. When he talks about Mkhulu Mandela, you would swear that there is something that Abayibanga. There is something between them. There is some unfinished business. I don't know whether this is some form of respect towards Mandela or some form of disrespect from him or something. I don't know, but there is something there. There is no way. The obsession over Mandela, those comments annoy the hell out of me. I'm sorry. I can't take it anymore, but there's nothing I can do. And then when he talked about his, until Mandela resigned. As if that is not enough, forget Mandela for a second. Now, when they go on, if it's not Mngom, if it's not Baloyi, it's Gininda. If it's not Gininda, then it will be the judge. They will go on about Mngomezulu. When is he going to rest? When is he going to rest, for crying out loud? They keep dragging him into the entire situation. We're not saying they must not speak about certain issues. No, it's too much. What they are doing is too much. I guess, Anna, as if that was not enough. Wait, we are talking about court decorum, right? This man, which is Judge Rata, was addressing court decorum due to the back and forth between Gininda and Mnisi. Instead of addressing exactly the problem, he's coming directly from Mnisi. Does he call that court decorum? Instead of calling out Gininda for his long answers or for his night, no, he comes from Mnisi. Didn't he tell us that you must shut up? What was that? But he's talking about court decorum. And then he quickly says, you must keep quiet and go talk to the court in private. But the court just disrespected you here right now during the people. Why must I go to private? No, that's why I'm not a lawyer, because me, I'm one of those, I'm a Xhosa woman for starters. And secondly, me, when you disrespect me right here, I handle you right here, right now, and then we both apologize later, privately. You can't disrespect me during the people and that you do a show when you disrespect me, and then you expect now no spectacle. After you have done a spectacle, a show off about me, now you want us to talk private. Njani sana, listen, you, no, not me. Shem. Me, I would rather be a loser than allowing people to disrespect me. I know there are things that you must walk away from, but there are things that I will never walk away from. Disrespect. Kosiam, I can't. Hi, Kesana namhlanje, he went on to sing. Yabona that part of singing, I was like, hi, where? I wanted that one. I was like, Auntie CP, what's going on? What just happened? I was so shocked, guys. I was shocked. I was intending. Yabona. Even after 10 past 3, he decided I'm gonna disrespect every. He mentioned black people, and I was like, speak to the two people. In fact, address Gininda because Mnisi is retaliating to Gininda's actions. So why is he wrong? Yabona, the English saying that says you must watch how you react to things. So when are you going to watch disrespecting me? People are quick to tell people to watch their reactions after being disrespected. No, guys, I can't. He says we must respect each other, Ujadrata. How? You don't, Ujadrata does not respect anyone. He belittles the lawyers in that courtroom. He belittles them all day long and then expects respect from who? You can't teach people how to be behaving and then you expect them to not behave the way you do. Rata talks about etiquette, guys. What is that to him? What is respect to him? I got very pissed off. I really got pissed off at that time, Kesan. Yabona that man. That's why you are not a lawyer, because you short-tempered or whatever. And my thing is, the Ratas is capable of controlling himself, guys. That's another thing. We should not be making excuses for him. He is very much capable of controlling himself because you have never seen Judge Rata losing his temper, losing his patience for Baloyi or Gininda. You have never, if you've noticed that and you've witnessed it, please show me when. Maybe now I wasn't watching or paying attention. When? Now I've never seen him calling out Gininda. I'm exhausted in my head, guys. I'm exhausted. The business. Oh my God. Oh. It can't be. There's no way. No, there's no way, guys. Absolutely no ways. How did we get here as a country, guys? Not like there's a lot going on in that courtroom, guys. And then earlier today, it was also Jonas, guys. That's another character added. Jonas has entered the charts also of being a drama king or a drama prince. Because I could not understand what was this behavior from him from yesterday, actually. He's been behaving not so kindly. No, mina, I can't, guys. No, Akashiya Uputi, Upayana Manchi. No, he must just leave us in peace with Jonas now. I can't. His actions are very questionable. Guys, and then Judge Rata went to read after asking, when are you going to respect each other? But he's not addressing the problem, knowing very well what is the problem. He knew what is the problem. That's what pisses me off. It's not like he didn't know. He knew what is the problem. He doesn't address the problem, but he wants to address this. What he read there, he read something, and that thing that he was reading, it was addressing Mnisi. And Mnisi was so annoyed. You could see it was visible here because he was not having it. He's sick and tired. And who wouldn't? Dealing with Gininda, guys, is too much. It can drain you. Gininda is draining that. We are drained from listening to him. How much more if you are the one who's asking him questions and he's doing this, going around the merry-go-round. How much more if you must be the one dealing with that? No, Gininda is very annoying, guys. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Now I'm annoyed by a lot of things. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.